Oh, hey. Fire Alarm Apprentice here again. And we're just out for a good run. It's end of the day. Been a pretty good day today. Had a couple of annual inspections and a monthly inspection. We had a dead display on one of the rigs and got that fixed up for him. Pretty good argument for getting your LEDs to work properly. But we had a dead LCD display that we fixed up for him. Couldn't get any footage of that. Too many people standing around for that part. It's a bit awkward. But I did get a bit of footage, just not of the repair.
Oh, hey, Fire Alarm Apprentice here again, and we're on site. We're looking at another FX2000. Now, when we arrived on site here, the display wasn't working. So this is what I mean by 80% failure rate on the LCDs. And the installer failed to zone it out and enunciate the zones and program them, populate them, etc. So if a fire was being fought and the display was totally non-functional, then that's what they're up against, and that's why we should populate these. On this one, we fixed it. Can't get it to repeat, so it's just the ribbon cable. The ribbon cable is a problem on these. It's not a big problem, but it's probably 5 or 10% over time. So, oh, hey, Fire Alarm Apprentice here again. And one thing that I almost forgot, and that is you want to check your firmware version and your last time it was downloaded. You can check that from this panel very easily. It's menu, and then info button, and then it shows you the date and time and version of download. That's supposed to be documented on the 536. And it gives you the date. That gives you an idea of when it was last programmed or downloaded. Now, version 1 downloaded, see that? 2011-09-19. So if someone had come along and done a front panel download or front panel programming, it would show that as well. I don't believe it keeps... Oh, hey, Fire Alarm Apprentice here again. And I do a lot of, when I'm doing annual inspections or even monthly inspections, I do tend to connect the computer to the panel so that I can log everything. So I can log everything that I've done, timestamp, date stamp, and I also make a backup copy of the loop. Should they get hit by lightning or catastrophic failure, flood, etc., then we have a copy of every device that's on here so that we don't have to rely on anyone else to reprogram it. We could, but we don't have to. It gives the customer some options. So again, it comes off the RS-232. Pretty simple, 9600 baud, 8 bits, no parity and 1 stop bit. I'll explain that in future videos. And then it comes, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it comes into my Minicom. It comes in a raw format, but it does get, the data does get cleaned up quite a bit. I can use Python to clean it up, or I can just do it manually. Manually is almost as easy as Python. I'd show you how to do the Python, but part of it's kind of proprietary, so I'd rather not. But just so that you know, you can do it with a Python script. You can do it live. You can go straight to an HTML page. So the possibilities are great. And then you can also get a live view, so the customer could actually see you as you're testing. But further to that, the customer could be anywhere in the world and connect to that computer and check the status